Imagine this: every click, every swipe, every decision you make online generates data, and businesses are using it to predict what you'll do next. Welcome to the world of IT and big data analytics, where raw information becomes actionable insights. But here's the big question: how does this impact you as a future professional? And more importantly, how can you position yourself at the forefront of this revolution? Let's break it down step by step: drivers, market trends, opportunities, risks, and the roadmap ahead. By the end of this video, you'll see why big data isn't just a buzzword, it's your ticket to the future. So what's driving the explosive growth of big data? First, the rise of IoT, Internet of Things. Smart devices everywhere, from your phone to industrial sensors, are creating massive amounts of data. Second, cloud computing has made storage and processing cheaper and faster than ever before. And third, businesses are realizing that data is the new oil. If you know how to refine it, it fuels everything from marketing to product innovation. These drivers are transforming industries, from healthcare to retail, and creating a demand for skilled professionals like you. Now, let's talk numbers. Globally, the big data market is projected to reach $229 billion by 2025, growing at a KGR of over 10%. In Indonesia, the story is even more exciting. As one of the fastest-growing digital economies in Southeast Asia, Indonesia's IT and big data market is set to grow at 15% annually, driven by e-commerce, fintech, and smart city initiatives. Indonesian companies like Gojek and Bukalapak are leveraging big data to optimize logistics, personalize user experiences, and scale operations. This means more job opportunities for graduates like you in the next 5 years. So where do you fit in this ecosystem? Think of big data as a pipeline. At one end, data engineers build the infrastructure to collect and store data. In the middle, data analysts clean and process it. And at the other end, data scientists extract insights and build predictive models. But it doesn't stop there. Business leaders use these insights to drive strategy. For most graduates, starting as a data analyst is the sweet spot. It's hands-on, impactful, and gives you the skills to move into more advanced roles like data science or AI engineering. Where's the money coming from? In Indonesia, the biggest revenue streams are e-commerce and fintech. Platforms like Shopee and Ovio rely on big data to understand customer behavior and offer personalized recommendations. Globally, industries like healthcare and manufacturing are also investing heavily in predictive analytics to improve efficiency and reduce costs. If you're passionate about solving real-world problems, these sectors are where you'll find the most opportunities. But with great power comes great responsibility. Big data brings risks, data breaches, privacy concerns, and ethical dilemmas. For example, how do we ensure algorithms don't perpetuate bias, or that personal data isn't misused? The solution? Build expertise in cybersecurity and data governance. Learn frameworks like GDPR and ISO 27001. And always prioritize ethical decision-making. It's not just good practice, it's essential for long-term success. So what's your roadmap? Start by mastering the basics. Learn programming languages like Python and SQL, and get comfortable with tools like Tableau and Power BI. Next, earn certifications in machine learning or data analytics from platforms like Coursera or Google. Then, gain real-world experience through internships or freelance projects. By 2025, companies will be desperate for talent who can turn data into decisions. Be that person. Start today, because the future belongs to those who prepare for it. Big data isn't just shaping the world, it's shaping your future. Are you ready to lead the charge?